student, today's topic is structure of chromosome. Chromosome, they are present in the nucleus and these are filamentous structure. And meaning of chromosome, chromo means color and somes means body. Let's see what are chromosomes. These chromosomes, they are not seen during the interphase. As during interphase there is a chromatin reticulum which get condensed to form chromosome, and these chromosome they are distinct during the cell division and they are thickest during the metaphase of the cell division. Chromatin, see, chromosome made up of chromatin fiber. Each chromatin fiber consists nucleosome which are made up of protein called histones and wrapped by DNA. The structure is called as chromatin fiber. See here again the same concept is explained. DNA present in the nucleus. DNA wrap around the histone. This red color structure is of histone protein and it get coiled or condensed to form a chromosome. Means chromosome they are made up of protein and DNA. Chromatin and condensed chromosome structure. See, during interphase this chromatin is seen. This chromatin get condensed and finally form a chromosome. See, condensed chromosome. Chromosome consists arm, then centromere and telomere. Chromosome first described by Walter Fleming. It generally recognized that chromosome first discovered by Walter Fleming in 1882. Let's see structure of chromosome. Chromosome container of gene means it contain gene. Human have 46 chromosome. Half come from mother and half come from father. Chromosomal parts. Telomeres. Chromosome tip is called as telomere. Then centromere. This middle part is called as centromere. Highly condensed, also repetitive sequence. Region where spindle fiber attach during the cell division. Pulling chromatid apart during the mitosis. Let's see this point. During cell division, these are the spindle fiber, this yellow color structure, and this spindle fiber they get attached to this centromere. They get attached to centromere, and each sister chromatid it pulled away due to this spindle fiber. Chromatid. These are the sister chromatid which are parts of a same chromosome. This chromatid they are called as sister chromatid. Each metaphase chromosome appear to be longitudinally divided into two identical parts. These are the two identical parts, each of which is called as chromatid. Chromatid of chromosome appear to join together at a point. This point is centromere. Then two chromatid making up chromosome are referred as sister chromatid. These two chromatids of same chromosome called as sister chromatid. The chromatid of homologous chromosomes are called as non-sister chromatid. See, these two, they are the homologous chromosome, means which are structurally similar chromosome, and these two chromatids of this homologous chromosome they are called as non-sister chromatid. Here these two they are sister one, and these two of homologous chromosome they are called as non-sister chromatid. Chromosomal anatomy. I already explained you sister chromatid. Then here there is a centromere. DNA exists as chromatin in cell not undergoing division, mitosis. During mitosis, chromatin condense into each chromosome. Chromatin get condensed to form this chromosome. Duplicated chromosome, sister chromatid attached as centromere. This is duplicated chromosome. Means after mitosis only this single chromatid it is present in the cell, but during the interphase it get duplicated and two sister chromatids are seen at the starting of the mitosis. Chromosome structure. See, this is chromosome. It is made up of this chromatin fiber. Here this is condensed one. Each chromatin it is made up of protein, histone, non-histone and DNA molecule. This is the structure of chromosome. It shows pellicle. Then primary constriction means centromere or kinetochore, and in some chromosomes secondary constriction they are also seen. Then there is a satellite and each chromosome consists chromonema. These are the homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome means structurally identical chromosome. They are called as homologous chromosome. These are sister chromatid. These are non-sister chromatin. This bead structure is called as chromatin. These beads are the histone molecule, or this is the histone core, and this string like structure it is a DNA. It get coil, it form a chromosome. Cell division. Chromosome they are not seen in the interphase or resting phase, and they appear during the prophase, and they are shortest and thickest during the metaphase. Thank you.